what is Dainichi Nyorai? So I know that Dainichi Nyorai is one of the most important deities or the important deities in Shingon Buddhism, but who is it? What is it?
So Dainichi Nyorai, we call universal Buddha, cosmic Buddha. So he represented universe. He represented everything. So this is what the Dainichi said. So anyone can become a Buddha and so find out the message from the Mahavajracana Buddha. So cosmic Buddha is very hard to understand. Word is very sounds hard to understand, but you could imagine when the universe started. So the Mahavajracana Buddha is a cosmic Buddha, is the same as the universe. And when we think about a universe, how universe started, there was a big bang, big explosion happened, and it spread out atoms. Then eventually, the things occur in this world: the planet, water, dinosaur, and we appear in this time. So now we visually different. So nationality, culture, language, what you speak, what language are you speaking, and what gender are you, our skin color, many different. But when we see the start, so how universe started, we are same start. We started from same place. We are same ingredients. So if you have understand this idea, you can have a very, very great sympathy with the other people, even looks different. So, but if we don't have a visual for it, it's very hard to remember. And as the Dainichi visualize, like Buddhism visualize this wonderful, eternal kind of the work. So we visualize these things, and that is a Mahavajracana Buddha. Shakyamuni Buddha and other Bodhisattva, everyone actually transformed by Mahavajracana Buddha, we believe.
So Mahavajracana Buddha is another way to say Dainichi Nyorai?
Yes, sorry, I didn't explain this. Mahavajracana Buddha is a Dainichi Nyorai in English. So Dainichi Nyorai is a Japanese, Mahavajracana Buddha in Japanese.
Okay. So it's coming from Sanskrit, right? I think.
Yes, Mahavajracana Buddha. The word written in nowadays because for the pronunciation we can write it in Romaji, English letters, but basically everything's written in Sanskrit.
Okay, great. So to understand it correctly, so Dainichi Nyorai is basically like this like a universal oneness that we are all related and everybody is one. If I want to make it very simplified, so am I on the right track or I'm off track? Please tell us.
You're on track. So we are saying existence and cosmic Buddha is the one we should pray. So main hall of this temple has a Mahavajracana Buddha. Most of the Shingon Buddhism temple has Mahavajracana Buddha. It's because it's a very main Buddha of the Shingon Buddhism. So we guide the people, like disciples or the lay people, if they ask me which Buddha I should pray first, so we usually say Mahavajracana Buddha. So because he's everything, so anyone can pray to him. So even no gender. So I think I should say deity. So that deity is Mahavajracana Buddha. No gender. Not him.
Yes, I understand. But in English, sometimes we gotta define she or he. But I know what you mean. So, but in other words, basically, you are Dainichi Nyorai, and I am Dainichi Nyorai, and everybody is a Dainichi Nyorai. That's kind of idea that we are talking about.
Yes, I would say yes. So it's very clear, but it's very hard to accept it because there is a people who you dislike, and there is a things you cannot accept it. Like like the awful things happen in the world every day. So everything is some messages, like how you receive that message from Mahavajracana Buddha, and how we think our Buddhahood today. So that's our requirement, and the Mahavajracana Buddha idea can provide this guidance. So because if you can ignore things happen in the opposite side of the planet, but if you continue to pray to Mahavajracana Buddha, eventually you can construct a great sympathy with all of the nations.
And all the creatures, I suppose.
Yes, yes.
Beautiful.